How to log into Ollo Credit Card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're gonna find the search box, type in Ollo Credit Card login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, ollocard.net, open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, just scroll down. You'll see the option of login portal. Click on that option. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of website. Now here you're gonna see the option of login. Click on it. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. First up, go ahead and type in the username, then type in the password. In the case you want to save your username, check in for this option. If you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you fill this, click on login, and just with that you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Ollo Credit Card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.